Servus, ich bin der Ladini.
Hi, I'm Roland Ladnig and I work for Martin. At Martin, we manufacture buckets, slew drives, and quick couplers for excavators in a range of tonnage classes. We produce around 20,000 attachment devices per year, as well as customized solutions. At Martin, we are committed to quality, so we ensure that our machinery is always state-of-the-art. With a high standard of quality, it is very important for us to have a tight plate on the product. We produce around 50 to 70,000 tight plates per year. The laser engraves the tight plate much faster than, for example, the old nailing device we used to have. It saves us a lot of time. The advantages of the Trotec laser are that it is economical, that we have a closed system, and that errors are prevented. It is not possible to make a wrong entry. We gave Trotec our requirements and wishes, and Trotec was able to realize them perfectly for us. The ERP interface has also minimized the error rate, because we have to scan a code for each order. The data is extracted from the system and is imported back at the same time for documentation. As we are a multi-shift operation and want to ensure that we have no downtime, the proximity to Trotec is a win-win situation for us. They help us quickly, whether they come to the company or solve the problem over the phone. So far, it has always worked really well.
For more information on integration, technical details, and more, visit our website or contact us.